This is actually a pretty unplanned vlog, but today's date is December 31st, which means it's New Year's Eve. To close off the year, a friend that I'm always driving with, his name is Tony, I'll put his name right there. Together, you know, driving. And over the summer, or actually pretty frequently, we're always together hanging out. For the end of the year, we were like, fuck it, let's just go on a little drive. So today, basically, we're gonna be
for my iPhone.
Oh, that little fucking
extra one?
On the vlog, what's up?
Look at him under pressure.
yes. Lead the way, Antonio. Thanks, my guy.
Boom. I'm a little dirty. There's no way it's not. 30. Oh my god.
Alright, stop. I am struggling right now.
This car is probably very loud, but we're ready to go. Right when I walked outside, it started to drizzle a little bit, so I was like, fuck. Like I thought we weren't gonna be able to go, but it stopped, and now we're ready to go. Gas. We're driving the speed limit right now. Have you ever wondered how stupid a GoPro looks on someone's head? I'm trying to get the fucking shots for you guys, but ignore the driving on the way here, right? It was just for fucking content purposes. It wasn't for content purposes only, but that was fucking sick. Bro, that was sick.
That was lit. Now we got Zay.
Yeah, now Zay's coming. Tony's friend Zay, I've met him actually here. This is why Tony and I came here. I mean, come on now. Little Bay Park, the backdrop and everything. Then there's, I don't know if you can see, rocks going into the water over there. But Tony's friend Zay's coming right now. He has his new SI, and we're gonna see that for the first time. I'm gonna run some B-roll because why the fuck not? He don't give a fuck. Time I wasn't recording.
Sky.
Yeah, I know, it's fucking beautiful. It really is. But we were talking about under the engine bays and stuff like that. I popped mine open here, and then we were just showing how this engine setup here is a V8 twin turbo. So we were seeing how the two turbos just pop out, how it's handcrafted, whoever built it and stuff like that. So the sun finally came out. This is beautiful. Oh my god.
Boys.
Alright, so now we're heading out to go get something to eat quick. But yeah, we're ready to go. We're gonna be on the GoPro right now.